Okay, today we are going to start 3.4, but I have this little, joke or saying that I thought you would kind of like, so you can read that. I thought it was kind of funny. So, starting your notes, 3.4, using formulas. So, we're just plugging and chugging. Okay, we're going to use a formula, and we're going to know the numbers to put in, and then we just solve. So, suppose you travel 162 miles in 3 hours. Use the formula D equals RT to find your average speed. So, first of all, you have to know, okay, I totally don't have the right thing. You have to know that D is distance. This is the distance formula. Okay, R is your rate and T is your time. Alrighty? So it's given you travel 162 miles. So that's our distance, 162. Because remember, this is our formula, D equals RT. So we're plugging 162 in for, actually I'll just write it out. D equals 162 and your time is 3 hours. Okay, so we just plug this in to D equals RT, and it says, what are you looking for? Well, you're finding your average speed. Okay, that's also known as your rate. Alrighty, so we plug in 162 equals R times 3. We just plug and chug. The T went in there, the D went in there. Now it's a problem you've seen before. We're just solving for R. That's all we're doing. Let me change my color. We're solving for R. So this is R times 3, so we're going to divide by 3. Okay, so 162 divided by 3. Okay, so you can divide that and you should get, as I look at my notes, 54, and then this is the important part, is you have to label it. Since we're dealing with rate, it's miles per hour. And I knew that because my time was in my distance was in miles and my time was in hours. So my rate is going to be miles per hour. Okay, so what this means is if I traveled 162 miles in 3 hours, it means every hour I traveled 54 miles. Okay? Next example. You can estimate the temperature outside using the chirps of a cricket. Use the formula, so they're giving us the formula right here, and that's N divided by 4 plus 37. Where N is the number of times a cricket chirps in 1 minute. F is the temperature in degrees Fahrenheit. Estimate the temperature, so we're looking for F. We don't know F. When a cricket chirps 100 times, 100 divided by 4 plus 37. So this one you don't have to move to the other side, you just have to solve. Because all of our numbers, all of our constants are on the same side. So we just do the problem. Okay, so 100 divided by 4, well, how many quarters goes into a, I'm sorry, yeah, 4 quarters, anyway. 100 divided by 4 is 25. I was saying that backwards. There's 4 quarters in a dollar is what I was trying to say. So 25 plus 37. Okay, then we add that up, and what are we going to end up with? 25 plus 37, 62 degrees Fahrenheit. It says, estimate the temperature. Go back and read. See what we're looking for. It's 62 degrees Fahrenheit. So we're just plugging and chugging. Next example. Find the perimeter of the room. Use the formula for the perimeter of a rectangle. P equals 2 times length plus 2 times width. Okay? So here is the room we're going to use. It's a rectangular room. And we're going to use 6 inches and 2.1 inches. So this is our room. We have to find the perimeter. Yes, you can just add up all the sides, but this is technically the formula, so that's what we're going to use. So 2 times the length Doesn't really necessarily matter which one you pick for length and which one you pick for width, as long as you pick two different ones. So this is 2 times 2.1, which is 4.2, and 2 times 6, which is 12. Okay. Correct. I'm checking my math. And then we just add. Okay, just because there's a decimal in there, that shouldn't make you panic. It should just be 16.4 inches. Make sure and label. 16.4, I'm sorry, 16.2 inches. Whoops. I made a number up there. So this is 16.2 inches. Ooh, let's get rid of that. I'm not sure where I got that 4 from. I guess I got it from right there. Anyway, okay, so that's the perimeter. Okay, this is the last one. Okay, this last one, we're going to use D equals RT. So sometimes they don't, it's not in a word problem, it's just given to you just like this, and you plug the numbers in. Okay, so D is what we're looking for. R is what's given to us, 23.7, and T is given to us. So we just have to multiply these together. Okay, I probably will let you use your calculator for this. So your answer is going to be distance equals 132.72, and what we're looking for, distance, and this is miles an hour, so we would say miles. If this said, you know, kilometers an hour, then you would write kilometers. So all you're doing in this section is plugging and chugging. That's all you're doing. It's really nothing new. All right?